Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. Today we are doing a flight over the city of Grundarfjörður. Grund means a plain in Icelandic and fjörður simply means a bay. We start our flight from the church of Grundarfjörður. It is a Lutheran church, and in the distance you can see the church mountain. It's a very famous mountain in Iceland. Call it Kirkjufell Church Mountain if you translate the name. It was ranked one of top 10 most beautiful mountains in the world. You see some trees had been planted around the town. There are only 862 people who live in this town, and most of them work in the fishing industry. It was here we stayed overnight one night at the harbour guest house next to the harbour, which is very busy fishing harbour, and in general many ships and dock here during the year. Generally speaking, this town has a bad weather, perhaps the most windy town in all of Iceland, so this is not the place I would like to live, to be honest, but it's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place to visit. People who live here, they are real heroes because they have to face such a harsh climate conditions through the year, and I guess they are used to that. It's a very ancient settlement. There was a farm here since the settlement of Iceland, which started in the 9th century, but the town developed after the war around fishing industry, and it's a popular destination among tourists because it lays on the route around Snæfellsnes Peninsula, and there are many hostels in this town, and people stop over here to see Kirkjufell Mountain. No article can be written about things to do in Grundarfjörður without mentioning the famous Mount Kirkjufell and the beautiful Kirkjufellfoss waterfall right next to it. You will see it in my drone video, which will come soon. Kirkjufell means church mountain, and it refers to its majestic size and freestanding form of the mountain. It looks like a real pyramid from one point, but from a different angle it looks differently. The formation of Mount Kirkjufell took millions of years during the Ice Age. The mountain, located exactly in the middle of two glaciers, was shaped by glacial erosion, they say. Because of its popularity, it can get quite crowded during the day, during the summer, not really during the winter. They made a new parking lot next to that mountain, and it's very photogenic place. Tourists come to, many photographers come to see this mountain. Also, Grundarfjörður is famous for whale watching. There are many orca whales in the bay. The best time to see them is from March, and they do many whale watching tours from this town. And also nearby you find the Footagr lava field, which I did the flight over, you saw it, and quite a few interesting places. I recommend visiting this town in the west of Iceland. I wish you all the best. Be well. Greetings from Iceland.